Welcome to TECHATOP, the best budget integrated amplifiers for 2026 that deliver impressive sound quality without stretching your wallet. Whether you are building your first HiFi setup or upgrading an existing system, these amplifiers offer excellent performance, reliability, and modern features for music lovers. Stay tuned as we break down the top value picks you should consider. Links in the description. Number 5. The SMSL AO300 MA5332MS Class D power amplifier is a compact yet highly capable solution for listeners who want modern connectivity and strong performance in a single chassis. Powered by the MA5332MS amplifier chip and the CS43131 decoding headphone amplifier chip, this unit delivers clean, detailed, and controlled sound across a wide range of listening scenarios. With up to 165 watts per channel, it provides ample power for most bookshelf and floor-standing speakers while maintaining clarity at higher volumes. As a 2.1-channel amplifier, the AO300 supports an active subwoofer output, making it easy to build a balanced stereo system with impactful low frequencies. The sound signature is neutral and precise, with good separation and a well-defined soundstage. Bass is tight and responsive, mids are natural, and highs remain smooth without becoming fatiguing. Connectivity is a major strength. The amplifier offers USB, optical, coaxial, HDMI, ERC, and RCA inputs, ensuring compatibility with computers, televisions, audio players, and streaming devices. HDMI EARC support allows seamless television integration, including synchronized power and volume control with compatible televisions. Headphone listeners are well served by both 4.4mm balanced and 6.35mm single-ended outputs, which deliver impressive drive and detail. Customization is another highlight. 8 equalizer modes and 5 filter options allow users to tailor the sound to their preferences and music genres. The lightweight design, touch controls, and clean black finish make the AO300 easy to integrate into modern setups. Overall, the SMSL AO300 is a versatile and powerful amplifier that offers excellent value for its feature set and performance. Number 4. The NAD Electronics C316 BEE V2 Stereo. Integrated amplifier is a refined and purpose-driven component created for listeners who value sound quality over unnecessary complexity. Staying true to NAD design philosophy, this amplifier focuses on delivering clean, dynamic, and musical performance in a compact and affordable form. It is an ideal choice for 2-channel systems built around vinyl, compact disc players, or dedicated music streamers. At the heart of the C316 BEE V2 is NAD power drive technology, which provides a solid 40 watts per channel of continuous power while maintaining the ability to deliver much higher dynamic output when required. This high-current design allows the amplifier to handle demanding speaker loads with ease, resulting in confident dynamics, controlled bass, and excellent clarity at all listening levels. The sound signature is balanced and natural with a smooth mid-range and detailed highs that never feel harsh. Vinyl enthusiasts will appreciate the high-precision moving magnet phono input. The carefully engineered phono stage offers low noise and accurate RIAA equalization, allowing records to sound open, detailed, and faithful to the original recording. This built-in feature removes the need for an external phono preamplifier, simplifying system setup. User convenience is well considered, with 6 versatile inputs, a front panel headphone output, defeatable tone controls, and a full-function remote control. The amplifier also reflects NAD commitment to efficiency, consuming very little power in standby mode and using environmentally responsible materials. Overall, the NAD C316 BEE V2 is a no-nonsense integrated amplifier that delivers outstanding musical performance, reliability, and long-term value for serious music lovers. Number 3. The Cambridge Audio AXA35 is a thoughtfully designed 2-channel integrated stereo amplifier that focuses on musical clarity, simplicity, and reliable performance. Aimed at entry-level and budget-conscious audio enthusiasts, it delivers a refined listening experience that reflects Cambridge Audio's long-standing expertise in sound engineering. With a clean and understated design, the AXA35 fits easily into both modern and traditional home audio systems. Rated at 35 watts per channel into 8 ohms, the AXA35 provides enough power to drive most bookshelf and compact floor-standing speakers with confidence. The sound character is balanced and engaging, offering clear mids, controlled bass, and smooth high frequencies that remain pleasant during extended listening sessions. High-quality internal components, short signal paths, and a well-damped power supply contribute to low noise and consistent performance. One of the standout features of the AXA35 is its built-in moving magnet phono stage, making it an excellent match for turntable-based systems. Vinyl playback is clean and detailed, allowing records to sound open and natural without the need for an external phono preamplifier. 4 analog inputs provide flexibility for connecting compact disc players, televisions, streamers, and gaming consoles, while the front-mounted quarter-inch headphone jack adds convenience for private listening. The amplifier also includes a USB port designed to power a Bluetooth receiver or audio streaming device, allowing users to add wireless functionality if desired. Bass and treble controls offer useful tonal adjustment without compromising sound quality. Overall, the Cambridge Audio AXA35 is a well-engineered integrated amplifier that delivers impressive sound, practical features, and excellent value for listeners building a quality stereo system on a budget. Number 2. The Yamaha Audio AS301BL Natural Sound Integrated Stereo Amplifier is a well-balanced and powerful component designed for listeners who value musical accuracy, reliability, and versatility. Built on Yamaha long-standing natural sound philosophy, this amplifier aims to reproduce music with clarity and realism while remaining accessible to a wide range of audio enthusiasts. Its solid construction and classic design make it a dependable centerpiece for any 2-channel system. Delivering ample power, the AS301BL easily drives a variety of bookshelf and floor-standing speakers with confidence. The sound presentation is dynamic and controlled, offering strong bass response, clear mid-range detail, and smooth high frequencies. Whether playing music at low volumes or pushing the system harder, the amplifier maintains composure and delivers an engaging listening experience. One of its key strengths is broad connectivity. In addition to multiple analog inputs, including a dedicated phono input for turntables, the amplifier features both digital coaxial and optical inputs. This allows seamless connection of modern sources such as televisions and media players alongside traditional analog components. Speaker outputs support A, B, or A plus B configurations, providing flexibility for multiple room setups, while a dedicated subwoofer output makes it easy to enhance low-frequency performance. The front panel layout is clean and intuitive, with practical tone controls that can be adjusted or bypassed to suit personal preference. At over 20 pounds, the amplifier feels substantial and well-built, reflecting Yamaha's reputation for durability and long-term performance. Overall, the Yamaha AS301BL delivers excellent sound quality, generous power, and versatile connectivity, making it a strong choice for anyone seeking a dependable and great-sounding integrated stereo amplifier. Number 1. The Rotel A8 30 watts 2CH integrated stereo amplifier is a compact and precise amplifier designed for listeners who value clean, high-fidelity sound in a straightforward package. Built with Rotel's reputation for engineering excellence, the A8 focuses on delivering musical performance without unnecessary features, making it an ideal choice for 2-channel systems where simplicity and quality are priorities. Its elegant silver finish and compact dimensions allow it to fit neatly into most audio setups. Powered at 30 watts per channel into 8 ohms, the A8 provides sufficient energy for most bookshelf speakers, while its Class AB design ensures controlled dynamics and minimal distortion. The amplifier offers a frequency response ranging from 10 Hz to 100 kHz, providing detailed bass, clear mids, and extended high frequencies. Total harmonic distortion remains exceptionally low at 0.3%, resulting in a natural and clean sound signature suitable for a wide variety of musical genres. Connectivity is simple but effective. The unit includes a dedicated phono input for vinyl playback and unbalanced RCA line-level inputs for connecting compact disc players, streamers, or other analog sources. The absence of network connectors and preamp outputs emphasizes Rotel's focus on core audio performance rather than digital extras. Speaker connections are secure and reliable, supporting both 4 and 8 ohm loads. Weighing 13 pounds and measuring only 3 inches in height, the A8 is easy to integrate into any system. Its minimalist approach and high-quality engineering make it a dependable amplifier that delivers a satisfying listening experience. Overall, the Rotel A8 30 watts 2CH integrated stereo amplifier is a refined and capable solution for enthusiasts seeking compact, high-quality, and musically engaging stereo performance. Thank you for watching our guide to the best budget integrated amplifiers for 2026. We hope this video helps you find the perfect amplifier that delivers great sound without breaking the bank. Each option we covered offers excellent performance, reliability, and value for money. Do not forget to check the links in the description for more details and current pricing. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more audio reviews.